up, bro?
What up, man?
Where's the same picture?
Huh?
The drone?
Right there. Yeah, I don't know. Drones, I don't know what they are, bro.
Yesterday there was one looking at me too. I was fucking paving in my bed and on the stairs. I could see a drone just lighting.
Yeah?
Yeah, like two of them.
They were big ones or
Pretty big.
crazy? Yeah, they're seeing them all over the place right now.
They're still illegal, no?
I don't know. They're saying they might be military or some shit. They don't know, bro. It's weird.
They were using them in the back. In a railroad track.
Oh, you see them back there?
Yeah, they were using them, but they were using them, but fucking it
That's
was the
no
same
plane.
guys that were stealing.
Oh,
You're
shit.
traumatizing everybody else.
Crazy.
Talking about watch out with the drone, but it was the same fools, you know,
Yeah,
taunting the other fools.
crazy. That's no satellite, I don't think either. It looks pretty low and bright.
It passed already.
Yeah, look, that's a plane.
Yeah.
That was just like look like a ball of light. I don't think it's a satellite.
No.
Maybe drone. I'm not sure. It's about to be 5:30 in 5 minutes.
It's really 5:30.
Yeah.
It's dark already. Huh?
Yeah. There's Venus. And then Jupiter's been behind us. I don't think let's see if it's out yet. Nope.